Are you struggling to run your real estate business in Notion? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how with the Notion Landlord Headquarters template. The first thing I want to talk about is the huge amount of information there is to manage in a property business. And there are so many places stuff can be these days. A few years ago, I needed a plumber at short notice and spent ages going through old invoices and WhatsApp messages, trying to find the details of someone I'd used before. Well, the Notion Landlord Headquarters solves this with a set of databases ready to go for you to store all your real estate info in one place. From contacts to documents, the tasks to get done, tenancies, and more. Plus, each database contains properties you can use straight away, customize, or add and remove them as your business requires. And if your business is anything like mine, I'm sure your business always needs something. The Notion Landlord Headquarters solves a massive problem, and one that can cause the most stress and waste the most time. Have you ever sat down to work, yet you didn't know what to do? What's a priority now versus what can wait? Looking at your diary, to-do list, WhatsApp messages, trying to make a plan for the day. Well, the Notion Landlord Headquarters makes things so much easier by showing you what to do. And it's only by putting a system like this in place that you can then start to outsource and scale. Otherwise, you'll be trapped in a whole load of chaos. And that's where the Landlord Headquarters dashboards come in. They're built off the foundations of information in databases. The template dashboards show you the information you need, where you need it, and when you need it. Regular property upkeep tasks appear when they need doing. Documents that are about to expire surface so you can update them. And tasks that are due soon are listed so that you can take action. And this is all in Notion. And as well as information and actions, the Notion Landlord Headquarters also helps with something really important, because it's so easy just to lose track of where you are with certain processes, whether it's tenant onboarding or tracking maintenance issues through to completion. That's why this template has pipelines, so that you can track your processes with ease and also add your own. To start managing your real estate properties in Notion without spending a huge amount of time building something for yourself, you can grab the template using the link in the description below. You'll be able to see the benefits from day one with all of your information in one place and easy to use dashboards, whilst customizing the template to your needs over time. And if you're not sure whether Notion is the right tool to manage your real estate business, then check out the video here.